Yo, yo, yo.
Come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency. Come and see. Defi bully. Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me. Me just bingo. In a crypto. Brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell. Get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe.
What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. Yes. This is DeFi Bully over here with AVARICE. You see, we breaking records. We breaking records. We making records. We doing all that right now. This is what it is. I'm gonna do it a little bit different tonight. I couldn't find it. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm in Jamaica. It's hot. Took my shirt off. I'm saucy. I was like, you know what? You just play that. But before I get deeper into this AVARICE stuff, please remember to go to the YouTube channel. We on that push to 1,000 subscribers. We trying to get monetized. But right now, you can show support to the channel by subscribing to the channel, hitting that like button, and after that, marry that like button. You feel me? It's notification bell now, so let's get right to it. All right, boom. AVARICE. Today, we pushed it. Today we pushed it. Look at all the other days. Okay? And look at earlier. 2,888 BNB. What was it? Day 5? Is this day 5? I believe so. Yeah. And for those that don't know how much that is, right now the price of BNB is down, people. It's at 288. We know we're used to it being around 400 and such. But look at this, 2,888. That's 831,000 US dollars in one day. So we're breaking records. All right. So let me tell you guys what I did. Actually, what I did, I didn't buy in today. When I seen how high it was halfway through the timer, I was like, oh no, I don't know. Maybe today's is gonna be a little differently for me. Oh, shout out to whoever used me as a use my referral link. Yo, do me a favor, join the Telegram group. Let me know that you're the one that joined me, and let me try to do something good for y'all. You know what I mean? Even if it's just strategies and ways to make money, let's get it. Hit me up. All right. So what I did was I actually bought a stake. If you look right here, I actually acquired a stake. I didn't get, wait, hold on. Let me go on this stake and sorry about that. I actually bought a stake for 1 BNB right here. It was a 45-day stake, I believe. And I bought it for 1 BNB and it already earned it already earned 0.160 BNB, which works out to be 0.160. About $50. Okay, about $50. Now when I bought it, the price of BNB was at $300, around that, 298, 300. So I already made pretty much like a good portion of the money back. And if it's a 45-day stake and it continues at this, I made that money back in no time, people. This is the time. Let's get it, and let's get it early. Now, if you could find a good deal, because what I'm finding out about this protocol is that actually it's better to have going hard the first day. I wish I went in harder the first day. I was testing it out. I was listening to other YouTubers saying we're gonna dollar cost average throughout the days. But what we really should have did, people, was try to get in on the early days, because the dividends that we're getting paid out now is based on the deposits that was today and yesterday. If that makes sense, it's being divided amongst the ones before first. So it's better to get one of these early stakes, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. Now, 3, that's actually day 1. 4 is depicted as day 2. 5 is depicted as day 3. So if we were to go to buy and sell, let's just see if we could find a quick deal just to show you guys what I mean. Okay, so I do want to get some good content out there. You guys are looking out for me. I'm gonna look out for you guys. So the best things to do, I would say, is to try to find an earlier date so far, unless it continues to have these big pumps. Because right now, even day 4 was good. You get me? And those things, because they're gonna get part of the profits split into 5 for the first 5 days. The dividends, I should say. So if you had gotten early, you'll get a part of that. Okay. All right, let's see. All right, we're looking for deals, things under, let's say, day 4, because day 4 is actually day 2. So day 3 is actually day 1. So we're looking for ones that say day 3 and day 4 and to see the deals on it. The one I got earlier, I believe it was a day 4 stake. I got it for 1 BNB, and it came with about 750 AVC tokens. I feel like that's one of the last deals like that you're gonna find. Because if I see one right now, I'm buying it. I don't care. All right, so let's see what's going on. All right, see this one right here. Well, that's day 7. Okay, that doesn't work. Let's see, this day 3 is 92 day stake, 1800. Whoa, 16 BNB. You're wildin', my friend. You're wildin'. But you never know. It might be worth it. We don't know what tomorrow holds. I don't know what tomorrow holds. Just let there be life. I want you to stake. I want you to sell land and stake. Let me stop. All right, I'm trying to find a good deal for you guys. All right, day 4, 30-day stay. These are the ones right here. Any ones that say day 5, 4, 3 with 30-day stakes or so. Look at that. The price has definitely gone up. I believe this could be worth it. It's a little high, but it will definitely be worth it when it comes to tomorrow, because this is getting portions of the dividends that was deposited today. Of the BNB that was deposited today, you're going to get that as dividends. And then remember, after the 30 days, you'll still have the AVC tokens where you can restake, you can sell, and you can borrow against it. I don't see anything beating this. Yo, this is so nice. I even talked to a couple other devs of some big projects, and I was like, look, you want to be the first to fork something like this. Although I don't want to take the attention from AVARICE, you know what I mean? Because it's doing its thing. Ooh, here go a deal right here. It's on. It was started day 4, which is day 2. It's a 30-day stake. Okay, 4 minus 34, and it's 433 for 1.25 BNB. 1.25 BNB. Now, my deal was something like this, but I received 700 tokens, 750 AVC tokens for 1 BNB. So you guys can see how these things are going, how the price is increasing. And I just bought that today. Well, it just passed 1 a.m. where I'm at, so it's actually 1:03 right now. So, yeah, yesterday technically, but still today. I didn't wake up and see the sunlight yet. I hate when people say, oh, it's another day, it's past 12. It's not another day for me until I see the sun. If I don't see the sun, it's still the day before. Okay, let's see. Dang, look at this. Day 1 stake right here. 63-day stake for 183 AVC. That's nothing. 5 BNB. Oh my God. Oh my God, we should have brought the sledgehammer day 1. We should have brought the sledgehammer day 1. Right now it would be kicking. We can retire early, people. So I just wanted to show you guys what's going on with these prices. The lending has officially opened. Now, I haven't had a chance to test this out as yet. I'm going to try to see how what percentage they're going to allow you to borrow on your actual AVC tokens or wherever that may be. And shout out again to whoever joined under me. Join the Bullpen Millionaires group. Give me a shout out. I'll give you a shout out. And yeah, people. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is DeFi Bully. We doing the damn thing. You know what I mean? Y'all stay blessed and stay safe. Stay safe. I'm out.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.